Okay, sorry for disturbance. Actually, we had a disturbance. Now, this is the case of a noun or pronoun tells us what the relation of that noun or pronoun is to some other word or words in a sentence. Maybe this definition looks difficult for you, but when I will give you the examples of those case nouns, it will be very easy for you. Okay. Now, actually, every noun has a case which is mentioned in the sentence that has a case. Now, what is here written? The case of a noun or pronoun tells us what it tells us. It tells us what the relation of that noun or pronoun is to some other word or words in a sentence. Like, simply, I will give an example. Suppose Rashid plays a cricket. Rashid is the noun, and what is its relation with the other part of the sentence, or we can say with the other words of the sentence. When I say Rashid plays cricket, suppose Rashid plays cricket, that means the noun. Who is the doer? Doer means one who does the action. Isme action kaun karta hai? That's Rashid. So Rashid is here in subjective case. जो काम करता है उसको हम बोलते हैं that it is in subjective case. That means Rashid is in subjective case. Rashid is doer. So we can say that Rashid is in subjective case because it has some relation with the other words of the sentence. Is that the other words of the sentence gives us the action. What sort of action he is doing? So he does. So that means Rashid is playing. So there are 5 cases in the English language. How many cases? We have 5 cases in English language. And what are those 5 cases? Those 5 cases are very important for you. The first case is the nominative case. Second is the objective case. Third one is the vocative case. Fourth one is the case in opposition. And the fifth one is the possessive case. Now, let me first clear you the case, which is the first case, that is the nominative case. This is the nominative case. Nominative means nominative has also the another title, that's subjective case. Yeah, we can call nominative also as subjective case. Okay, noun or pronoun. That means when noun or pronoun are used as a subject of a word, that is called the nominative case. This is very important. As I told you that we have 5 cases of a noun or a pronoun. The first case is that is the nominative case. So what is a nominative case? Nominative case means the noun is in a nominative case when it is used as a subject of a word. अभी मैंने आपको कहा, suppose Rashid plays cricket. That means in this case, the noun Rashid, it is in subject, it is as a subject of a word. It is used as a subject of a word. That means subject means, I have already told you, subject means that noun or pronoun about which something is said, जिसके मुतालिक कुछ कहा जाता है. So that in this sentence, Rashid plays cricket, इसमें रशीद के मुतालिक कुछ कहा जाता है. That means Rashid is the doer. So Rashid is the subject of that verb. So that subject of the verb is called as the nominative case. Very good. That subject is called as the nominative case. Yes. So, and that nominative case, that may be a noun or pronoun. Or we can say if the noun or the pronoun is a doer of an action, that is also called as a nominative case. Nominative case. अगर कोई noun और pronoun जो इसमें है, अभी मैंने बोला रशीद plays cricket, तो इसमें रशीद noun है. That is the doer of an action. That means he plays the cricket. वो cricket खेल रहा है, तो उसको हम बोलेंगे nominative case. Noun. Yes. अब अगर हम बोलेंगे रशीद के बदले में बोलूंगा he plays cricket. That means the pronoun he is used as instead of the noun Rashid. Instead of the noun Rashid. That means he pronoun जो है, that is in nominative case. Simply, nominative case is also called a subjective case. We could take down simplest one, nominative case such as one subjective case. That means used to subjective noun us. Used to subjective cases must noun us. Yeah, pronoun us. That is called a nominative case. Example, yes. Aslam sells cars. Aslam sells Now I will explain the subject to the nominative case here. Aslam sells cars. So here we have two nouns. First
Yes,
is
sir.
Aslam. Okay,
Aslam and second is cars.
yes, we have Aslam and second is
Cars.
car. Aslam is a singular noun. It is a masculine noun. Okay. Cars is plural noun, and cars is non-living. Cars has no gender because car nahi masculine hota hai, nahi feminine.
Car is neuter.
But here, what is our topic? That is Aslam sells cars. Which noun is subject to? So just it is very simple. When the question here is who sells cars, what is the answer of who is the subject of that?
Aslam
Aslam
sells
sells cars.
Okay. Like who sells cars? The simple answer, the shortest answer is Aslam.
Aslam sells cars.
Aslam. Because that means who is in action? Who does the action? Action kaun karta hai?
Aslam.
Aslam. So that means Aslam is the subject of the sentence. Aslam kya hai iska? Subject of the sentence. So when Aslam is the subject of sentence, that means Aslam is in nominative case. Aslam ka
Nominative case.
almost subject to the nominative case almost 90% in the beginning of sentence, typically in our mind.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
they are in the beginning of sentence. So here Aslam is in nominative case because Aslam is the subject of the sentence.
and beginning of
बताया कि sentence वो होता है जिसमें at least one subject one predicate. Shafkat Nabi, please mute yourself. So subject means, sorry, sentence has two parts. एक होता है subject, दूसरा होता है predicate. और predicate में most important जो हमारा है वो है verb. That's the verb. Verb हमारे पास होना चाहिए. Now here Aslam एक part है, sells cars, it is the second part. Sells cars is second part में यहाँ पे आप किसी को यहाँ पे मैं एक just a minute, give me 20 seconds, I will lock the meeting because I am getting disturbed by these. Just I am locking the meeting. ये problem कर रहे हैं ना. Just give me 10 more seconds. Okay, I locked the meeting now. Nobody can attend this class. It disturbs me also here. Okay, now I was telling about the nominative case. It's very easy. It's very simple. Nominative case is also called as the subjective case. Here, Aslam is in subjective case. Aslam is in subjective case because the rest part of the sentence, you sentence doing this, that is sells cars. This part of the sentence, this part of the sentence tells us about the Aslam. क्योंकि ये कहते हैं असलम के बारे में हम कुछ, जब doer, that means असलम कुछ कर रहा है, he is the doer, that means he does the action, वो action करता है. So aslam is subjective case, that means here the aslam noun is in nominative case. Now cars, अगर हम आपको बताइए ना, cars भी यहाँ पे noun, but it is not, cars is sure, that is not subject. अभी क्या है ये मैं अभी नहीं बताऊंगा क्योंकि हमें आगे बढ़ना है. Cars जो है ये भी noun है, ये किस केस में है वो हमने आगे पढ़ना है क्योंकि मैंने आपको बताया है कि इसमें कितने केस है, we have 5 केस.
Yes, sir.
आपको यहाँ पे समझ आया होगा. So यहाँ पे कौन सा noun ऐसा है जो nominative केस में है?
Aslam.
Very good, because aslam is the subject of a verb or aslam is doer of an action. यहाँ पे लिखा है, ये देखो जहाँ पे मैं कर्सर मूव कर रहा हूँ तो इसीलिए ये nominative case है. It is the subject of a verb and it is the doer of a
Verb.
Doer
Verb.
of, very good.
Action.
Doer of an action. Okay. So this is the car the Aslam is going to sell. This is very simple so that you will get cleared. Now, as you know, right, we can say Aslam, the nominative case.
Is.
Now, next, she stole my book. This is the book. ठीक है? This is the book.
Yes, sir.
अब मुझे बताइए यहाँ पे which is in nominative case. यहाँ पे 3-4 words है इस sentence में. 1, 2, 3, 4.
She.
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 Very good. Is she noun or pronoun?
Pronoun.
Pronoun.
It's
Noun.
pronoun. She is pronoun. So
Pronoun.
that means
Noun.
who stole, अगर आपको बोला जाए who stole my book, suppose who stole my,
She stole my book.
A book.
simple, the answer will be she stole my
She
book.
stole
So
my
the
book.
answer, shortest answer will be she. Who stole my book? She.
She.
So मैं वो first question बनान ये तो nominative case है, question च बनान who. In certain who was use answer
Yes,
is
sir.
that is the subject of that sentence. So in
Sentence.
certain the subject of sentence is that is one nominative case.
Nominative.
क्या उसको बोलते हैं? Nominative. So here she is
Yes.
subjective case. She is in nominative case. So we can say she the nominative case.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Because this is she is here the pronoun. She is not the noun. She
Pronoun.
whether it is noun or pronoun. So she is the doer of the action. Now
Pronoun.
the another case, please. Almost मैं अब कुछ आपको सेंटेंस दूंगा और आप मुझे आंसर करेंगे. मैं बोलूंगा रहीम eats food. Which is the nominative key? Which noun is the
Rahim.
nominative?
Rahim.
Very good. Because Rahim is the doer of the action. Who eats food?
Rahim. Rahim. Rahim.
I am teaching you. Okay. Which word is nominative?
I.
Very good. Because I is pronoun and I is in subjective case. That's why it's called the subjective. It's only this nominative.
Subjective case or nominative case. Yes, sir.
Now please mute your these speakers so that I will explain about the objective case. जब मैं खत्म करूंगा यहाँ से, जब मैं आपसे questions पूछूंगा, so then you unmute yourself. तब तक आप mute पे रखिए so that other people will also understand this case. Now we have another case, that is the objective case. So objective case same noun या pronoun ही होता है ये word, और इसमें ये objective case कब होता है? जब ये object of a verb बन जाता है. मैं आपको समझाऊंगा object of a verb किसको कहते हैं. एक और डेफिनेशन, एक्शन डन ऑन, जब कोई एक्शन हो जाती है किसी नाउन और प्रोनाउन पे तो उसको ऑब्जेक्टिव केस कहते हैं. फिर से मैं बताऊंगा, दो फॉर्मूला यहाँ पे है. वी हैव टू फॉर्मूलाज हियर, नाउन और प्रोनाउन. यस, सिंपली when a noun or pronoun can be said in the objective case, when the answer is when it is the object of a verb. Object of a verb कब होता है? हम इसको एक नाउन को और एक प्रोनाउन को कैसे ऑब्जेक्टिव केस, देखो कब, जब इसमें हमें कैसे पता चलेगा? सेंटेंस में जब भी कोई एक्शन हो, when an action is done, कोई भी एक्शन हो और उसको रिसीव करने वाला, यानी वो किस पे होगी? किसी नाउन और प्रोनाउन पे. जिस नाउन और प्रोनाउन पे वो एक्शन होगी या जो उस एक्शन को रिसीव करेगा, that is called, that noun or pronoun is called in objective case. So we have simply here an example. मैं यहाँ पे आपको एक एग्जांपल बताऊंगा. असलम sells cars. अभी जो सेंटेंस मैंने आपको बताया था वहां पे हमने असलम को बोला था that it is in subjective case.
Subjective case.
Sentence में
Nominative
आप
cases.
mute रखिए, please mute रखिए. उस्मा, don't talk because बहुत सारे लोगों को स्क्रीन ही चली जाती. तो असलम जो है, aslam is in subjective case because aslam is the doer in this sentence. Aslam sells the cars. So but what he sells और जो काम है उसका जो उस काम को जो रिसीव कर रहा है, उस एक्शन को जो रिसीव कर रहा है, जिस पे ये काम हो रहा है, that's cars, that is cars. So यहाँ पे जो cars noun है, इस जो सेल है ये तो वर्ब है, तो ये किस पे हो जाती है ये काम, कार्स पे, तो हम बोलेंगे कार इसमें ऑब्जेक्टिव केस में, कार इज इन ऑब्जेक्टिव केस बिकॉज असलम एक्शन करता है, असलम इज द डोयर, बट द कार्स रिसीव द एक्शन। जो इसमें एक्शन जो होती है वो है सेल की, सेल यानी वो बेचता है, तो दैट मीन्स कार इज इन द ऑब्जेक्टिव केस। उसमें एक और सेंटेंस मैंने बोला था, शी स्टोल माय बुक, शी स्टोल माय बुक। नाउ उसमें हमने कहा था that she usage, that is a pronoun and it's in subjective case because she here is the doer of the action, or we can say she is the subject of the sentence, that's why it's called a nominative case. But we have another noun in this sentence, that is book. But what is book? Is book subjective or objective? Who stole? So जो चुराने का काम है ये किसके हुआ है, my book. So she stole my book means book is here in the objective case because book receives the action, और action क्या है, वो है stealing, यानी वो जो चोरी हुई है वो है, तो objective case उसी को बोलता है when action is done on and this is the action is received by a noun in the sentence, and that noun is called in objective case. Sometimes this is very important, sometimes there are two objective cases in a sentence, ये आप ध्यान में रखिए। कभी कभी ये जो सेंटेंस में दो ऑब्जेक्टिव भी हो सकते हैं। एग्जांपल, द काउ गिव्स अस मिल्क, ओके, द काउ गिव्स अस मिल्क, दिस इज काउ you can see, and this is milk that's on your screen, okay. Now cow gives us milk, अगर हम देखेंगे यहाँ पे cow जो है, the cow is in which case, okay, you can unmute yourself, the cow कथ केस में nominative or objective
case.
Nominative.
It is nominative case because the cow is the doer of the
Action.
sentence. Action क्या है इसमें, gives देती है,
Yes.
उर्दू में हम कहते हैं गाय दूध देती है, यहाँ पे जो एक्शन देने का है, now you can mute yourself, the cow is the subject of the sentence, क्योंकि किसके मुतालिक बात चल रही है, काउ के मुतालिक, yes, so this is subjective, जब किसी के मुतालिक बात हो रही है सेंटेंस में, that's called, that part of the sentence is called a subject. So what is the part, that's the cow, okay. Now gives, ओके यहाँ पे तो ठीक है, gives is the action, हमें इसके साथ कुछ नहीं करना है क्योंकि हमें नाउन और प्रोनाउन को चेक करना है कि कौन सा इसमें ऑब्जेक्टिव है और कौन सा सब्जेक्टिव है। सब्जेक्टिव तो पता चला था का, मगर यहाँ पे दो ऑब्जेक्ट्स हैं, टू ऑब्जेक्टिव केसेस, दोनों को मैं स्क्वायर में रख लूंगा, आप ध्यान रखिए, दिस इज अस एंड दिस इज मिल्क। नाउ अब इसमें से कौन सा ऑब्जेक्टिव है, objective कौन है, so we sometimes there are two objectives. We have two objectives here. How many objectives? Two. Us and milk. Us and milk are the two objectives. लेकिन इनको हम फिर अलग करेंगे। जो मिल्क है, this is called this is a non-living thing and this is called the direct object. ये ध्यान रखना। मिल्क जो है, this is मिल्क मतलब living thing. मिल्क living thing है non-living thing? मिल्क is a non-living thing, and this is the direct object. Please keep it in mind. Remember it. Milk is non-living thing. This is direct object. Us is a living thing. Us is a living thing, and this is called indirect object. अब बताएंगे आप, sir, indirect object और direct object में क्या फर्क है? And the indirect object is also called as dative case. ध्यान रखना। That means अभी तक हमने सिर्फ दो cases पढ़े। That is subjective case and this is second one, this is objective case. कल हम पढ़ेंगे और तीन cases, फिलहाल आप दो cases लीजिए, लेकिन इस objective case में और दो निकलते हैं, यानी objective, there may be two objective cases in a sentence, one is the direct object, second is the indirect object. अब मैं आपको बताऊंगा, हाँ, dative case means जिसको हम हटा सकते हैं, dative means अगर हम sentence में इसको हटा सकते हैं, sentence को कोई इस ऑब्जेक्ट से फर्क पड़ने वाला नहीं है, लेकिन अगर हम डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट को इससे हटाएंगे मे भी फर्क पड़ेगा। लाइक मैं बोलूंगा, अगर हम बोलेंगे अस को मैं यहाँ पे अस को थोड़ा जस्ट मिनट इसको मैं हटाऊंगा, जरा अब आप पढ़िए, व्हाट इज द सेंटेंस,
The cow gives milk.
the cow gives milk and it is complete sentence, there is no incompleteness in the sentence. कोई भी incompleteness नहीं है, sorry. The cow gives milk. That means the cow is subjective and gives is the verb, and who is the objective? Milk. Which is the objective? Sorry, which is not who is the objective, because who comes with the person and living things. So this is a non-living thing. So which is the object in the sentence?
Milk.
Milk. Is it direct object or indirect object?
Direct.
Direct.
Yes, this is direct object. Now, again, read this sentence.
The cow gives us milk.
The cow gives us milk. अगर मैं आपको ये बताऊंगा, अब आप पढ़िए, अगर मैं डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट को हटाता हूँ, जरा आप पढ़िए.
The cow gives us.
Is it complete?
No, sir.
Complete or incomplete?
Incomplete.
Not incomplete. So we cannot remove a direct object. We cannot remove a direct object.
Object.
Yes. Okay, we cannot remove a direct object because it may give us incomplete. The cow, then it doesn't remain a sentence. The cow gives us. What gives us? Follow. Okay, the cow gives us milk. So this is complete. So we have how many objects in this sentence? We have two objects. Very good. So one is non-living thing, that is called the direct object. Second is living thing, that is called the indirect object. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Clear to you?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Now you can see that we completed how many cases? Two cases. We completed two cases of this of a noun. We have 5 cases of a noun or pronoun. When a noun is used in a sentence, we have how many cases? 5 cases. A noun may be in 5 cases. तो ये एक ही नाउन 5 तरीके से हम एक सेंटेंस में इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. नाउ मैं कुछ क्वेश्चंस पूछूंगा. अब मैं यहाँ पे थोड़ा व्यू बड़ा करता हूँ ताकि आप भी देख सकेंगे. वैसे आप देख सकेंगे नहीं क्योंकि मैंने आपको स्क्रीन की है. हाँ उमारा, जल्दी से बताना मुझे. इसमें बता मुझे सब्जेक्ट कौन है, ऑब्जेक्ट. ही बीट्स मी. तुम्हारा he beats me, जल्दी से मुझे बताइए.
Yes, sir.
इसमें सब्जेक्ट कौन है? He beats me.
Beats.
अच्छा, आप पढ़ रही थी या खाना खा रही थी? मुझे बताइए, आप सीधे बताइए. कोई बता सकता है मुझे he क्या है इसमें?
Pronoun, sir. Sir, he is nominative.
Nominative noun.
शबनम मुझे बताओ.
Yes.
Umara, you are removed from the class, and from today you will not be allowed to enter my grammar class because this is the 3rd attempt that you missed the answer. That means you are not attentive in my class. It was a simple lecture. It was a simple lesson. So from tomorrow you will not be allowed in the grammar class. So hope आपका last class है आज. कल से मैं आपको allow नहीं करूँगा class में. Yes, Ibrahim. Ibrahim, unmute yourself. Okay, Ibrahim is not, I think, why is he has some problem? Yes, Nadia Nisar.
Yes, sir.
He beats me. Simple question. मुझे बोलिए इसमें subject कौन है या nominative case में कौन है?
He, sir.
Very good, because it is the subject of the sentence. और me क्या है उसमें?
Me. Sir,
Yes,
me.
he beats objective. Yes.
Sir, objective.
Because it receives the action. Me use atmas word which receive current action. So
Yes, sir.
अभी अजान हो रही है. आज हमें 35 मिनट का ही क्लास लेना पड़ेगा. अब अजान हो रही है. We should keep mum. So thank you. अगर कोई भी क्वेश्चन है आज तो नहीं ले पाएंगे because अजान हो रही है. Okay.
Assalamu alaikum. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
8:30 क्लास होगा.
Allah Hafiz, sir.
Khuda Hafiz. Okay.